Hi, my name is Suzanne, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Nervala before you actually buy it, the pros, the cons, and whether it's really worth your money or not. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know is be careful with the website you're going to buy from, because Nervala is only sold on the official website. Due to the high demand, many people are getting fake versions of Nervala without even realizing it. That can seriously harm your health and waste your money. So always double check that you're buying from the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is Nervala, and does it actually work? The answer is yes. Nervala has helped thousands of users, and it will work for you too. After many laboratory tests, researchers identified that there is a natural formula with powerful ingredients like alpha-lipoic acid, benfotiamine, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, L-carnitine, chromium picolinate, and much more. These components work together to target the root cause of nerve pain and discomfort, helping to support healthy nerve function, relieve tingling and burning sensations, and improve circulation in your hands and feet. By restoring proper nerve communication and reducing oxidative stress, Nervala helps you regain comfort and mobility naturally and effectively. No more relying on prescription meds, expensive doctor visits, or temporary fixes. This is a natural alternative that goes deep, right where the problem starts. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Nervala, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Nervala for 365 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for Nervala to work, you need to take the treatment seriously, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first few weeks, but most people have better results after 3 months of consistent use. Also important for you to know, Nervala has no side effects since it is a natural product. So I wanted to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the website you're buying Nervala from. And remember, I've placed the link to the official website in the description of this video or in the first pinned comment. And also, if you do buy the product, follow the treatment exactly and take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I also hope that Nervala actually helps you a lot to improve your life, just as it has already improved the lives of thousands of people around the world.